Hello, children. Welcome back to Extra Class with Aryan Mandal. Children, today we are going to discuss and study about your test number one from your book Collins English Grammar and Compositions. Okay, already I uploaded a lot of videos regarding your chapters we study, and a lot of comments I am getting from your side that please, sir, upload the video of test number one series as soon as possible. Yesterday I was received a few of the comments regarding test number one of class 7. So on your request, this is test number one going to upload, and there will be two part, first part and second part of this test. First part will be going to upload today, and next part will be going to upload tomorrow, right? So, and one more thing, a lot of comments also I am getting that please, sir, speak in Hindi also, explain in Hindi also. So now onwards, earlier actually from last year I uploaded the video, all the videos are only in English version. Now today onwards, on your request, I will upload the video with bilingual Hindi and English, both languages I will going to apply. Okay, so test number one, underline the noun in the flowing sentences and then identify whether they are common, proper, collective or abstract nouns. Okay, so we have to identify the noun according to sentences. ओके, सो हम लोग पहले ही पढ़ चुके हैं नाउन क्या होता है और उसके काइंड्स, राइट, उसके प्रकार। और अगर आपको ज़्यादा जानकारी चाहिए तो प्लीज़ आप इस वीडियो को भी देख ले। चैप्टर नंबर वन नाउन ऑलरेडी बहुत ही पॉपुलर है। सो अगर आपको एक्सप्लेनेशन चाहिए तो आप जा सकते हैं वीडियो में। हम लोग शुरू करते हैं ए पार्ट। क्या करना है, कौन सी प्रॉपर नाउन है, कॉमन नाउन है और कलेक्टिव या एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन है, हम लोग को आइडेंटिफाई करना है। ऑलरेडी कॉमन नाउन क्या है? कॉमन नाउन दैट नाउन which is using for common people in general. Okay, proper any particular collective group of things, and abstract noun the thing that we are not able to see but we can feel, touch, like that. So first number sentence, Jeanat went for a picnic last Sunday with her family. Okay, any particular, Jeanat is name, so it is proper noun. Sunday also it is proper noun. Okay, name of something. And picnic is your common noun because it is using for common people. And any collective noun, family is not any single person can make a family. एक आदमी से या एक पर्सन से फैमिली नहीं बन सकती। इट इज़ ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल और मेंबर, they can make a family, right? So group, so it is collective noun. So clear. Second one, Gloria won two gold and three silver medals in inter-school competition. Gloria is the name of some person, so it is proper noun. And medal also name of thing, any proper thing, so it is proper noun again, P. And competition, okay, competition is what? Common noun. Guys, this is complete. Third one, Anna had some great memories of the time she had spent with her family. Anna is name of someone, so it is proper noun. And memories, right? Memories and time. Memories and time both are unable to see, but we can feel memories. He has strong memories. How much strong, right? He is a good sense of memories. How much good? So it can be feel, right? बहुत ज़्यादा कम. That's why it is abstract noun, abstract form. And time also, both are abstract noun. A, memories and time. Anything else here? Yes, family again. What is family? It is collective noun, like number second. Number four, we recorded the song in front of a live studio audience. Song, there is not mentioned any particular song, so it is common noun. C, common. And audience is group of people, then they can make audience, collective noun. Number 5, she sent me a bucket of flower. Again, bucket is bucket of flower. Bucket is your collective noun, COLL, and flower is your common noun, flowers, common noun. Okay guys, next number 6, Aditya, sorry, not Aditya, everyone could see Aditya's determinations to finish the race. Right, Aditya, name of someone, so it is proper noun, P. Anything else? Determination, right? एक जुनून जो होता है, right? No one can see but it can be feel. उसका जो motivation है, so it is abstract noun. And race is common noun. Which kind of race? Marathon race, 100-meter race, or which kind of race? 50-meter race. So it is common noun, C. Guys, this is complete A part. Now move to B part. Okay, B part. Read out the question first. Rewrite the sentences after correcting the errors in the use of adjectives. Adjectives already we was discussed in earlier videos. Please go through the video if you want to elaborate more. अगर आपको बहुत कुछ confusion है और जानना है adjective के बारे में, तो आप playlist में जाकर देख सकते हैं हमारे videos. We will explain this B part. There aren't much student in the class, right? Much, this is the mistake. Much is using for uncountable, but here it is students are countable. Students को हम लोग गिन सकते हैं, how many, 2 3 4. and much कहाँ यूज़ होती है? जहाँ पर हम लोग काउंट नहीं कर सकते. how much, right? much of time, right? not how many time. much of water, like that. सो मच अनकाउंटेबल में यूज़ होती है, लेकिन यहाँ पर काउंटेबल है. ओके, सो यू हैव टू यूज़ हेयर, इट इज़ मैनी. ओके गाइस, दिस इज नेक्स्ट. मूव टू नंबर सेकंड. इट्स ग्रोइंग कोल्ड एंड कोल्ड by the day. Okay, so here is the mistake. Cold and cold. It's growing colder and colder. Comparative degree of adjective we are going to use. Colder, COLDER, colder and colder. Okay, and colder. Number third, Mohit is more greedier than Rohit. Mohit is more greedier than Rohit, so there is no need to use more. Mohit is greedier than Rohit. Okay, the comparative degree, no need to use more, right? Like more कहाँ use होता है? like beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful, but greedier is already complete. Number 4, that boy is strong than Hari. That boy is stronger than Hari, right? Stronger, ER, stronger than Hari. Number 5, Veena is junior than Vinod by 5 years. Veena is junior to Vinod by 5 years. Okay, you have to use to. Remove than. Number 6, we are discussing a more major issue. Your answer, we are discussing major issue, not more. No need to use more. Okay, so we are discussing मेजर इशू. क्यों? क्योंकि यहाँ पर कोई भी कंपेरिजन यूज़ नहीं हो रहा, कंपेरेटिव सुपरेटिव कोई यूज़ नहीं हो रहा, ओनली इट इज़ पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस. सो मूव टू सी पार्ट. सी पार्ट वी विल डिस्कस. सी पार्ट, fill in the blanks with suitable pronoun. Suitable pronoun we have to use. So start. There is total number of question are 5. pronoun हम लोग यूज़ करेंगे और प्रोनाउन का चैप्टर जो हम लोगों ने ऑलरेडी अपलोड किया है अपने चैनल पर, आप इसको देख सकते हैं अगर कोई कन्फ्यूजन्स हैं, राइट। होल चैप्टर was discussed and uploaded. So start first one. She looked at Dash in the mirror and said, "How beautiful, Dash! Look in this new dress." So she looked at herself and said, "How beautiful I look." Right, personal pronoun. He went, past tense of go, went. He went to visa office to submit his application but could not submit Dash because Dash did not have all the documents. So answer is could not submitted it because he did not have all the documents. Next, Niti told me that a friend of Dash was going to Sydney next week. Sydney, Australia. Okay, so it is her friend of her. Next, let's change the tires. Dash, it will be much cheaper. Change the tire ourselves. अपने आप. LVES ourselves. Number 5, Dash repaired the car of for you. Did you do it? Who repaired? Who? Okay, because it is question. Okay, and did you do it yourself? Yourself. Okay, so children, move to D part. We will start D part now. दिस इज पेज नंबर 65. डी पार्ट में क्या करना है? फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स विथ अप्रोप्रिएट मॉडल एक्सुलरीज. मॉडल वर्ब हम लोग हेल्पिंग वर्ब इसमें यूज़ करेंगे. सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन क्या है? इफ़ यू डोंट लाइक द ब्लू शर्ट यू डैश ट्राई द ग्रे वन. which one is correct answer? So it is suggestion. You have to use can. Okay, next, she dash easily lift weights of 60 kilos. Wow, when she was young. So it was past tense. Could we have to use? Dash I come in, please. It is very simple. This is for you. Always you are asking to your teacher while you are entering in the classroom after finishing your work. So may I come in? Number 4, you dash not leave the campus without informing your teacher. You must. Okay, you must. Move to next. Next is number 4. Number 4, you must not leave the campus. Okay, must is complete. Number 5, if I were you, I would ask for a refund. Very polite request. That's why it is would. Could we are not going to use here. could हम लोग यूज़ नहीं करेंगे क्योंकि पास्ट टेंस है और यहाँ पर एक रिक्वेस्ट है. और कैन इट इज शोइंग योर एबिलिटी, बट हेयर इफ इट इज़ वेरी पोलाइट रिक्वेस्ट द सेंटेंस इज लाइक दैट. In future, people dash send the receive message using more efficient ways of communicating. People will send. People will. Okay, move to next. E part. E part, what we have to do? Underline the direct objects and circle the indirect object in these sentences. E part. Okay, direct and indirect object we have to use. So the patient sent the doctor a thank you note. Doctor is your what? The patient sent a doctor. Who sent? Patient. It is indirect object. Already we was discussed direct object and indirect object. Please go through the video, you will understood. It is direct is underline the direct object. So it is direct or indirect? It is indirect. And indirect object, circle, so you have to circle it. And thank you note is your direct object, so it is underline. The teacher gave all the students chocolates. So gave past tense of give का past tense gave होता है. Students indirect object है, circle, and chocolates क्या है, direct object है. Next, his grandmother sent him a gift for his birthday every year. Number third, him is your indirect object, him. Okay, and a gift is direct object, a gift, underline. Did number four, did Jai give you a passes for the play? So you is your indirect object, underline, sorry, circle it. And the passes is direct object. Okay, so sir, underline it. Next, number five, the school awarded Rabi a full scholarship. Full scholarship. Okay, so it is your which kind of object? Rabi is indirect object, and a full scholarship. Full scholarship is your direct object. Number six, he wrote a poem for Ant Santi. Ant Santi. Okay, a poem. A poem is indirect object or direct object. Sorry, this is your, again, a poem is direct object, and for whom it is Ant Santi, it is your indirect object, so circle it. So this is complete your E part. Next, F to rest other part, all the exercises up to I part we will discuss in second part of the video. Already it is going to lengthy, so till then, be happy, stay at home. And one more thing, this is very kind request to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you don't like the video, you can have the option dislike button, so please हिट द डिसलाइक बटन. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगे, सब्सक्राइब करें, शेयर करें और अपने फ्रेंड्स को भी बताएं. अगर आपको कुछ डाउट है या कुछ भी मन में कुछ प्रॉब्लम है, कुछ बोलना चाहते हैं, प्लीज़ कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट करें. मुझे पढ़कर बहुत खुशी होती है अगर आप इस तरह के वीडियोस को लाइक करते हैं या कमेंट करते हैं. हम लोग कम्युनिकेशन करते हैं कमेंट के द्वारा. अगर आपको कोई भी वीडियो और भी चाहिए तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में मेंशन कर सकते हैं. तब तक के लिए स्वस्थ रहिए और पढ़ते रहिए एक्स्ट्रा क्लास विथ आर्यन मंडल. थैंक यू.